I was asked about what nobody told me. So let me tell you what nobody told me. Nobody told me that you don't rinse hot pepper seeds like you rinsed all the other seeds off when you're saving them. Let me tell you, when my black ass went over there and the water hit them seeds, I thought I was gonna go see white Jesus. And I mean, it happened like the instant the waters hit. You know what I'm saying? I went over there, everything was good. The water, you know, I turned on a little water just like you do little tomato seeds and little cucumber seeds and whatnot. And I was like, okay, well, let me rinse off these little pepper seeds, you know, and then I could lay them out and dry them. That damn water hit them seeds. And when I tell you my whole body was running, listen. My eyes was running, my nose was running, piss was running down my legs. It was like somebody punched me in my face. I think my lungs were trying to come from the inside out. Like I was coughing, but it wasn't like no, it was like, you know, the big dog cough, like, it was a lot. It was a lot. I mean, there was just, it was a whole production. There was piss, there was tears. You know what? Listen to me. When I tell you, don't nobody else tell you. If you want to save hot pepper seeds, don't rinse them. Just put their hot asses in a bowl and let them dry. And put them in a baggie and be done with them. Because that's what I do now.